It's this one, yeah. You know, I don't know how the hell they expect that little piece of tape to stay on in that heavy bag. It's made out of, you know, just very, very thin paper. Like, you know, so that's why I put it in plastic. I put it in plastic and that's it. I don't have to worry about it. I love these people. I don't have time. I don't have time for this. I don't have time to exercise. They have time to sit here doing this, don't they? Plenty of time for this. But they can't, you know, exercise for 20 minutes a day. But they sit here waiting for their crap. Whatever. 4, 5.
Large ice latte, noise. Confirm it, please?
Yeah, I did.
Thank you.
Yeah, hold on. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Boy. Why people put themselves through this, I don't know. They don't have time. They don't have time, but they have time. They have time for all that, don't they? See ya. Look at this. Look at the chaos. Yeah, people don't have time to exercise or, you know, for 20 minutes a day, but they have time to sit there at the drive-up window, don't they? Erica? Yeah, Erica. I have to scan it. Thank you. Oh, have a good day.
You're welcome.
That's interesting. Again, they're in a hurry to do this, they're in a hurry to do that. But they, you know, they can sit there and wait for 20 minutes in a line at the drive-up window, right? But everybody's in a hurry. I just watch and observe. That's all I do. I observe, I watch, observe, and I laugh. 5C3. Look at this. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Take care. $3. All right. Jesse. I'll get them over right back. That's a yes.
Thank
you.
you.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, have a nice day.
Thank you.
Take
Have a nice
care.
day. Thank you. Take care. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay.